For those of you trying to visualize it, there is the pavilion building with the bathrooms. Over there is the existing fence line. Back there is the neighbor's house. So we plan to start the fence back this far from where we had originally planned at the corner of the building. And you can see it's a pretty good ways away from the neighbors. So the fence line will be 10 feet away from the building. This will be the large dog area where I've got mapped out. This is the 10 by 10 foot entry area where there will be gates to over here, the small dog area, and over here, this will be the large dog area. There is a line down the middle that will separate the two parts with a 5-foot fence. So at the end of the pavilion, what I propose is going from this corner, and here we're 8 feet away from the pavilion. We'll go up here, beside the runway road. It'll go to the gate and continue on. You can see the line there. So this area inside this is all the large dog area. And it comes out to here, heads east, all the way to where the other fence comes down through. So as you can see, this is a good size area for the large dogs. And that's where the fence will tie back in. Looking at it from this way, we're looking at the small dog area, the dividing line between large and small, and this fence will be opened up, and all of this will go right through into the large dog area.